Hi, this is Tim Cool with Smart Church Solutions, and we're going to spend some time together and just kind of looking at what do we need to do to get our facility ready for re-entering after COVID-19. One of the questions is going to be, what do we do to clean our sanctuaries and our worship centers after a service or between services? We would suggest using some kind of a device like an electrostatic sprayer that can spray a disinfectant, sanitizing your seats, the seat backs, the seat bottoms. Probably need 10, 15, 20 minutes of drying time depending on the type of material that it's on. And if you don't have access to an electrostatic sprayer or can't get your hands on one, gather up a group of volunteers or ushers or greeters or people that can be designated to help take care of the cleanliness of your worship center. So you probably should consider wiping down every doorknob, every panic bar, anything that people are going to use to open and close doors. Another high-touch area are light switches. Many churches are using a computerized check-in system for both children and sometimes even their adult members. And so if you have a computer mouse or a keyboard, think about how you'll also sanitize those. And if you're going to open up kids ministry, you need to be cognizant of cleaning and sanitizing all the different things that kids use during a Sunday morning worship experience for children. Even down to things such as the remote control that you might use to control a TV or some kind of a video. One of the things that you may want to consider doing is doing something like this that would allow you to have a protective plexiglass shield between your receptionist and guests as they're coming to your church. This would just help protect both parties through that interaction period when they're coming as a guest to visit someone on the staff.